Today I'm showing y'all a video on how I install these cute crochet spring twist protective style on my daughter. Before I apply the spring twist, of course I gotta do my braid pattern. So here, as you see, I am kind of like doing boxes in the front so that I can kind of make it a little versatile, like because I am planning on putting it up. So here I just apply some shine and jam and I'm just creating the boxes, kind of like I'm doing the box braid, but I'm just going back with it. So I'm gonna just do this around the perimeter of her hair. Now this took about 2 days because on the first day I did not want to do everything, which is so much because I also had to do my hair as well. So I just went on ahead and I just did the braid pattern on the first day, and then on the second day I just installed the spring twist, which really made it so much easier to do. So after I installed the box braids, this is how it's looking. So now I'm working on a second row, and so I'm doing a second row so I can at least give that versatile look. So I'm just connecting the first row with the second row, doing the same thing. Because I'm a little lazy, I'm just gonna go ahead and cornrow the rest of the way, and it just made it more quicker to do. Now I noticed when I did cornrow it and with also installing the crochet hair, our hair is more on the thicker side, so I kind of should have cornrowed them a little bit more smaller, which is okay because I had enough hair to cover up any type of gaps. Now it's time to install the Freetress Kid Spring Twist. It is in 8 inches and I also got it in a color 2. So it is for kids, but it's also great for adults if you want to achieve a short and effortless spring twist look. So I'm taking the crochet needle and I'm just pulling it through, and I love that the hole is actually easy to open, so it's very easy. So all I had to do was just open it up and just slide it through like that, and I looped it. And as you see, this is the first one. My daughter's so silly, y'all. But anyway, so we're just gonna go ahead and keep proceeding with doing the same thing. Now it's my turn to install. So as you see here, I'm pulling the needle through the braid, and then I'm just getting the loop and I'm clicking it onto the hoop, and then I'm just using my needle also to kind of pull it through. I did use the hands on hers, but for mine, because I'm doing it myself, it was just more easier just to keep the needle already on there while installing the end part, if that makes sense. But as you see, this is how I'm doing it. So I only used about 6 packs on her hair and also 6 packs on my hair. I thought I would need more, but I didn't because it was already, you know, filling up pretty quickly. 1 pack was already about 1/4 of my head anyway. I so love that I could barely even tell that I even have crochet hair in my head. Like sometimes I just be walking around, I'm like, do I even have my hair done? Like, it is so lightweight, y'all, and it feels really good. It has less tension, and it's also the perfect length for any easy, like on the go protective style that you're looking for. So it does have a great texture to it. It's very soft, and it's also super lightweight, as you can see in this video, and it definitely feels so amazing, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the foam and mousse on here. And then I'm going to be styling our hair, doing like half up, half down. So it's going to be 2 ponytails, something really simple. So I'm doing the same thing on my hair. And I added some gold hair clips to complete the look. And yeah, this is the finished look, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, because I did. Check out the description box for more information, as I do have a giveaway going on. Love you. Bye.